Alright, so this is the sign before you go onto the beach. So you know all like the safety stuff. And then they have these jellyfish here. And you have to watch out for them. Because you could get stung, and then if you get stung you have to go get treatment. But right now I'm picking up some garbage and I'm gonna head back and find a can to put it in. So far this is our haul. There's a plastic lid right there, I'll get that. I just found a lizard. Come check this out. So it looks like he's missing his tail, but that's okay because they'll grow him back. He's pretty cool looking. Hi buddy. Go ahead, hop on. Oh, don't leave. Don't worry, bud. I'll get this out of here. Alright, see you later. Well, it just sucks that someone would leave this out here.
Hi guys, welcome back to
The Block Island Crew.
We're at the most beautiful beach on the island right now.
Not on the Block Island though.
No.
We're in Bermuda.
Yeah. Look, the sand is pink. I don't know if you can tell, but it's pink and it's so soft. It's the softest sand you'll ever feel. Literally, the sand is so soft. I cannot get over how soft it is. And it's really bright here. Sorry about the lighting. I mean, it might be good lighting. I can't really tell with my sunglasses on.
Yeah, it's hard to tell, but these are the rocks and they're eroded by the water. So yeah, it's pretty cool here.
Beautiful beach, beautiful thing.
Yep, sand's soft.
And
Really nice to be here.
We rented
I'm really thankful.
mopeds, and we still have them. And we're renting them for 2 days, and they're really cool. They're so much fun.
Here's Dane. Let's see what he's doing. So what are you doing? Oh no. What are you doing?
I'm making a pallet. The waves ruin it.
The waves already kind of good.
Yeah. The first one is
Right.
The first one it was like this. It just struck here.
Yeah.
And then the back was pretty good. But then my heel's about falling, I think.
Oh, that's good.
But then a lot of times the front fell.
Kids' imagination.
Do you
Imagination.
even know what that's from?
SpongeBob.
Oh, good. Thank God. Oh, look, you can see the pink in the sand.
Yep.
Guys, it's literally, look, it's literally like a light pink. I took off my sunglasses. Pink dot. It's amazing. So, we're walking.
To the garbage so I can throw my cup out. Delilah's really hungry and I think I'm gonna get another drink.
And it's really far away. Like,
And it's a really far walk.
I don't know if you can
So in between those rocks right there is where we have to go.
And Dylan carried me half the way.
Yeah, and I had to carry Delilah because she wanted me to carry her.
Well, I was tired. We have to wait in that long line.
No, that long line is for the beach chairs and stuff. So there's a really long line right here for the beach chairs and umbrellas. But we don't need those because we're only here for maybe another couple hours. And then we're going to head back. I'm going to head back to the boat. And then I think they're going to head back to Grotto Bay, it's called.
Yeah.
So Delilah should be able to film there. And then I can film the rest
It's
of
an
the
hour and
beach.
30 minutes away.
They got mopeds to ride around because it costs a lot of money if you take the taxi everywhere.
Yeah.
So it's more efficient to just take the mopeds. And it's a lot more fun.
That was like a couple hours.
All right, so I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you guys the menu real quick. All right, so we're here right now.
Really?
And this is the menu. So it's pretty expensive, but...
Can you get these? We'll meet once we got our
Yep,
food.
we'll see you once we got our food. Bye! Delilah, wave.
So we got our food.
Yep, so we got chicken nuggets.
We ate like all.
Delilah ate all of them. Can I have that last one? Can I have a bite? Thank you. And then I got a soda. And
Water.
Delilah got water because we need water. Because you can't go all day at the beach with no water. It was pretty expensive. It was like $11 for the combo.
But like we're on
Which-
an island.
Yeah, I guess $11 is pretty good. We're having fun, and she wanted food, so I got it for her because she was hungry. So look at all these people here. So there's a ton of people on this beach.
That's why we went to a boat.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to walk all the way. I'll turn the camera around real quick and give you guys a quick peek. So remember, we gotta go through the opening over there, and that's where we gotta walk. So we gotta walk all the way, and we were all the way over there, but we're not all the way over there now. We're all the way over here. Hopefully we'll make it pretty quick, and then we'll be able to, I think I'm gonna go back with our uncle, and he's gonna go back to the ship, so I'll eat at the ship, and he'll.
By the way, shout out to the Norwegian Gem because they are amazing. They're...
Yeah, that's the ship that we're on.
Uh-huh.
All right, see ya. Bye.